I'm not gonna do how-to video, but what I've done video, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube you can find to tell you how to install these things. I'm no expert at it. I'm gonna feel my way around as well.
I don't even know why he would do that.
So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Today behind me I have my new Infiniti G35. Well, new to me. It's a 2005. I just purchased. I was looking for something to modify, something that I'm going to use as a daily, not too expensive. And it's a one-owner vehicle. Body panels, I haven't seen any dents or just one scratch at the back. I'll show you later. But everything else, interior super clean, exterior super clean, even the wheels were super clean. And I've always liked the G35, but I haven't thought about it. I'll be honest with you. It's not something that I had on my radar or a project I wanted to do anywhere close to thinking about doing it. But when I saw the car, I said, okay, I can see the potential in it. So I decided to go ahead and buy it. So I got it at a good price. I got it for like $2,700 with everything, taxes and everything. I'm also going to do lowering springs. So I ordered some lowering springs on Amazon. And what are those called? Megan lowering springs. I got those used for like $158. Hey, it's a used car, used parts, same deal. All right, so let me show you guys the car, the exterior. Even the wheels looks fairly new. I mean, for a 2005, come on. And the scratch I was talking about, you see better outside. There's one long scratch right there. Everything else, all the panels are super clean. It's kind of wet, so it was raining outside. And this is the front wheel. I mean, no brake dust, really. The only problem I see with the interior, like here, some of the places started to separate, but that's minor. I ordered some upholstery repair kit, an upholstery repair kit. I'm gonna take care of that. You can see the interior. It's pretty clean. All the seats. Look at the back seats. And I haven't cleaned it yet. So I'm yet to clean the interior. But as you can see, it is super clean. Hopefully the camera does a good job. You can actually see even the roof lines look very clean. Very, very clean. Of course, this is a little dusty, but nothing major. So it looks pretty clean. I gotta clean it up. Oh, I had to replace the dipstick, all dipstick. So the seal was broken. So I think what happened, oil came up from the dipstick. I'm not sure if that is possible, but I was getting some smoke from there. Had that replaced. Had some of the bearings, like I think the pulley or AC bearing, something, they replaced them. For the intake, I'm not gonna do intakes. I just purchased a K&N air filter because I want to get it cool, as much cool air as possible. So. And this here is the K&N filter. Like I said, I'm not gonna do an intake system. I'm just gonna replace with a performance filter by K&N. And for the wheels I've chosen are these right here, Touring, 19 by 8.5. I kind of like that design, if you can see it. So this, I'm going to install the wheels entire last. That's the last step of the project. So after replacing all the springs, as you can see right now, you can't even get a finger under the wheel well. I'm going to try and lift the rear up. This is the rear of the vehicle. So the front, you can actually get a finger under the front. You see how low it is? You can actually get a finger under the front. So I purchased these spring isolators. So this is actually for the Jeep Wrangler JK, the rear spring. So I'm gonna try to insert this at the bottom of the spring. I got these on Amazon. I think it's for like $37 or something. All right, so this is the way it sits right now. There is another rubber bushing that it sits on here, or rubber mount. And the bottom, I think it just sits on another mount or rubber at the bottom. So the goal is to just sit this in there and have the spring rest on this, which would lift the car up at least half an inch, I think. Not sure I'll have to do the front when I'm done, but I'm dreading doing the front again because of course the front is a lot more work. So the back is just this one bolt right here, and drop this down, that's it. So I'll try this first. Alright guys, so you see mounted the kicker hideaway sub, enclosed subwoofer back here behind the seat.
Oh wow.
Go this way. Took me a while to figure where I wanted to put it, because when it's in the trunk you don't get a base. If you open up the trunk, all the base is in the trunk, so it doesn't come into the interior of the car. So I wanted a way to get it in the car. It doesn't fit under the seats because below the seats there, it won't fit. So I just gotta run two holes right here that will mount, and had to cut this center console, whatever you call it, open. You see right here. Sorry for the bad lighting. Had to cut that open with my Dremel, cut it open, and that fits over like this. Like that, neatly over. Only problem is it kind of sticks out a little, but it still hides the speaker if I need to hide it. And if someone needs to sit here, they can still sit here. So let me show you. Pull down here. Here you have it, kicker. Hideaway subwoofer is hidden. Yep. I just wanted to give a quick tip to anyone that's trying to install a double din or any stereo and having the problem of the stereo not shutting off when you turn the keys off from the ignition. So I just installed this in my Infiniti G35, but everything else worked fine. The only problem was getting that the car would not shut off. The stereo would not shut off. When the ignition is off, the radio keeps running. So what I did wrong, and I just realized, so I did connect, put this down before it falls, amplifier. I'm running a kicker hideaway enclosed amplifier, and I had that connected to the red wire right here. So the red wire, I think it's the let me see, the red wire is ignition wire to turn off the radio on and off, but because I connected the amplifier or the kicker hideaway to that red wire right here, I guess it deactivated that feature to turn off the stereo. The amplifier would turn off, but not the stereo. So I had to go remove the amplifier from that and connect the amplifier to its designated wire, which is the blue wire. Oh, that's stretched. I'm not sure you can see it right there. This blue wire right here is a designated wire for the amplifier. that comes actually having that Ginseng doubled in. So it has a blue wire at the back. I think it's for the remote antenna or amplifier. So that sends the 12 volts to the amplifier. So if you're having that issue, you can try that. That worked for me because I'm here bursting my brains looking at different YouTube videos. I couldn't find the solution, but I did see someone talk about the harness and what the purpose of that blue wire is, and I was able to figure it out. Welcome to the G35 nightmare. So if you own a G35, one of the older ones, I guess, G35 of course, G35, G37, you will know that the fuel gauge is the major issue. So my fuel gauge does not work. It's always stuck at full. So every time you put gas or anytime you use it, it's always showing that the tank is full or 3/4 full. So it doesn't go lower. So I tried cleaning the gauges back here, both gauges. Try that. That didn't work. I didn't expect it to work.
I don't even know why he would do that.
But I figured that's the easiest. So let me try that first. And same problem with the gauge. So everybody that does videos with those cleaning the gauges, cleaning them with Q-tips or whatever, that does not work. At least it didn't work for me. So the next option is to resolder the gauge, the fuel gauge. They're like, I think 5, forgot what they're called. There are videos out there that you need to resolder them. They weren't soldered properly, so you just need to resolder them. So at first I wasn't planning to do it. I was just probably gonna try to sell the car back the way it is. But I'm bored, so I figured why not give it a shot. Kind of liked it, kind of like doing this kind of stuff. So hopefully it works. Right now my tank is full, so full of tank, which I shouldn't have done because I didn't plan on doing this. So I have to wait, drive it, and then see what happens. So as you can see here, I got my instrument cluster out. Didn't take that long. I would say 20 minutes looking at a video. Let me see if I can find this video real quick. This guy did a very good job telling you what to do. Let's see if you can play a little clip.
Is if you still have these bolts.
So he's very patient. I would recommend looking at his video. His channel is called Stingray FPV. I think that's what it is. I'll post a link in the description. You have a very good video on it.
I just used
I took his time and explained everything.
Right, now that we've taken
so he made taking off the dash very easy.
There, we can, and mine are already soldered because I already did that. So I'll show you kind of how to solder them real quick.
So the one I believe had a problem would have been this one. This one right here. So this one was actually not even connected. This side was connected, but this side was not connected. So I resoldered that. Hopefully that fixed my problem. I'll let you guys know. Thank you, God. Victory! So this is a G35. all done without wheels lowered. So right now I just wanted to take this video before I put the new wheels on. So I just wanted to do one shot before and after. So this is the before.
So, to wash your car? Daddy, make sure it rain. Daddy, why are we gonna rain? I'm scared. Don't.